Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over u, capital B over u minus 1, and capital C over u minus 1 to the power of 2. Because we have the power 2, that's why we need to have two fractions about u minus 1. Next, we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about u minus 1 to the power of u minus 1 to the power of 2. So capital A multiplied by u minus 1 to the power of 2. This one, it is missing about u and u minus 1. This one, it is missing about u. Next, we need to expand this one. This one, we have u squared minus u. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u squared, we have a plus b. About u, we have negative number 2 with capital A, so we have negative 28. This one, we have negative number 1 with b, so we have negative b. And the last one, that is about c. About the numbers, we have a with number 1. So we need to compare coefficients. This one, that is about number 1. So capital A equals to number 1. We don't have u squared and u. So this one and this one equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. Now, we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So A equals to number 1, B equals to negative number 1, C equals to number 1. And now we put A, B, and C go in here. So A equals to number 1, B equals to negative number 1, C equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over u. We have ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over u minus 1. And I will put about c. About u, that is about e to the power of s. So this one we have s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.